Hey there, channel. So tonight we are going to be cooking a lamb leg boneless lamb with honey, mint and rosemary glaze, and we're going to be trying this on the new BBQ Rotisserie. So I'm going to take this out of the packet and I'll show you how it looks on the rod. Rightio, so here's a quick snippet of the lamb roast sitting on the rods. So when I take this over to the Ziggy, I'm going to have to adjust all the prongs and the little bar thing. I'll show you how some will get over there. Right, so here we go. We've got the lamb sitting here on the roast, on the rods. It's all locked down. The motor on. Gas on. I probably should have preheated this, but I was going to fire it up, bang, straight away. Okay, so I'm going to start it on full heat. And hopefully this thing rotates properly. It doesn't. Yeah. Doesn't look like she's going 100%, but yeah, it's all trial and error. So I'll sort this out, and I'll show you guys in the next video. Right, so we finally got it going. So we're on full heat. Roast is doing what it should be doing, moving quite nice, and we'll see how she goes from there.